Alright, here we are again working on the rip-off scam four-wheeler. Taking the top end off for like the 6th time. Gets a little easier each time, but still ain't easy.
We traded our 4-seat go-kart for a four-wheeler, and it had been nothing but problems. From day 1, we had a bad tire. Day 2, the engine blew. Ooh, no.
So that's our scam four-wheeler. We had it for 2 days and the engine blew. First day we had it, the tire ripped a giant hole. Second day we had it, the engine blew because no oil was going into the engine. It's been sitting since last fall, so we only drove it 2 days. Got a new piston that just showed up. Hopefully we can get this thing running.
We've been working on this thing so many times. We finally found that the piston was bad. We got the replacement now. We're gonna try and put it in.
Grabbed a whole pile of tools here. I guess first thing to do is try and see if the piston fits in the cylinder. Okay, got the rings on. Using a ring compression tool. Got that on. Hey, I got a secret here. See that arrow? That's the side you put the pin in on. Goes right in. Try and put it in the other way. Pound and pound and pound, it ain't gonna go in. This thing didn't come with instructions, but now you have instructions.
This part here was pretty horrible because we didn't take the engine out of the four-wheeler. We had to work around the frame, putting this top end down while holding the piston in without sliding out and getting the arm up and bind up and then putting the pin in. It took a lot of doing over and over again, and finally, when we did get it in, turns out we had the rings facing forward towards the exhaust, so we had to take it out and do it all over again.
This is no fun.
Here you can see that we take quite a bit of time fiddling with it and try not to drop the retaining clip down inside the engine.
Drop it. Especially into the engine, that'd be really horrible. Yeah. It's right above it. That was horrible. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Wow. Miserable. Whew. Now we have these awesome nuts we have to put on way in there and way in there and way in there.
As you can see, getting tools in there is next to impossible, and all this was before we realized the rings were backwards.
Maybe it works on a different one, but not there.
Wow. Oh, wow. Go cork.
No, I didn't hear anything fall. Yeah, this one's too large. We got the top on. Now we're putting the carburetor boot thing on. It's like reaching your fingers into an engine. Dirty job. Let's hope it starts after all this work and money. Okay, we're gonna try it. No muffler, we're just gonna, it's getting too dark, we're just gonna see if we have any luck right now. Oh yeah. There's a little bit of battery juice in there. Huh. Okay, which one's positive? Okay. Now,
It's a good thing this thing has electric start. This would have been horrible trying to pull that recoil.
oh. Some starting fluid.
Sharp.
120 something.
Whoa.
Much better than we had before.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Oops, I didn't hit the release. Whew. Right, not sure why it didn't shut off. We're gonna try it again.
Woo-wee, that was no fun. Yeah, turns out we found that we left the kill switch disabled, disconnected, and found that the next morning.
I feel like it's not.
Oh, don't get too close. It didn't shut off last time. All right, that's it for tonight. We got the start. We have compression. Might have some electrical issues now. We're getting close. We are a wet and windy day. Working on it again. So our compression seems to be okay now, but we're not getting gas through the carburetor. So that's what we need to work on now. Hopefully it's something simple. Getting sick of working on this thing. Okay, I think that's our problem right there. Air gap. Giant air gap, missing that gasket. Okay, so for one, I can't find the gasket that's supposed to go there. For two, these things, they thread through threads right here, which means that they could start like that, and then it'll never seat fully. So I almost wish they were just straight holes so that you could push it against there and then thread it in. I'm gonna maybe try and put some goop, O-ring sealer or something on here, and then I need to try and get it flush against there and get them to thread right as they touch.
Here comes another day.
Here we go again. Battery. This game now, you're never coming back. You're not coming back. That thing used to idle. No more. Oh, I'm faking. Get me excited. Oh. Yeah. Idle tree. That took a long time to get it to that point. Will it stay working at least that good? Hopefully better. Okay, there we are. Got the scam go-kart, or the scam four-wheeler working finally. Can't get it to idle, so that's a problem. We'll have to keep working on it. But yeah, there it goes. Now we gotta decide whether we want to keep it or sell it. I think if we can get the idle working, we might keep it. We'll see. Got to charge the battery so that we don't have to deal with the jumper cables every time. Yeah, once it's up and running, it works fine. Just don't let it idle down so far that it shuts off.